Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to conduct a quiz on the occasion of Kargil Day. And the quiz is hosted by Jigyasa Quiz Club of Army Public School Danapur, Kent, and your quiz master host is Dr. C.B. Pandey. Rules. My dear friend, there is no use of any search engines. There are 15 questions of 17 marks. Question number 5 and 15 are star mark question of 2 marks each, which will be decisive for declaring the winner as well as if it happens tiebreaker. My decision will be final and your answer will be accepted only through the link of Google form. So prepare yourself, be ready, and the question starts now. Identify the man at the center. There is a man, an officer, who is wearing the board-shaped cap. You have to identify the person in this picture. Okay? There are few seconds for you. You have to answer within that very time. Now come to the next question. The next question is, which Indian officer received Param Veer Chakra after first war between India and Pakistan in 1947 over the Jammu and Kashmir region ends with a ceasefire and Kashmir being partitioned? So you have to write the name of the officer who got Param Veer Chakra after this intrusion of Pakistani soldiers into Indian territory. Just write the name of that officer. Now third, what was Operation Gibraltar? You have to write the name, you have to write about the Operation Gibraltar. Who launched this? What was this operation? You have to write the nature of the operation. I am giving the hint. This operation was launched in the year 1965. Okay. Now come to the next question number 4. Yes, it's a very interesting one. There are two men in this picture. One is an army officer from Pakistan. So you have to write which Pakistani officer shown in the picture signed the instrument of surrender after 1971 war. We know again Pakistan attacked on India in 1971, but it was disastrous for her and she has to surrender, and the surrender document was signed by a Pakistani officer. You have to write the name of this Pakistani officer. Identify it and write his name. Now, question next. Question number 5. Yes, identify this person. Who is this man? And what is the uniqueness about this man? Who is this man? And what is the uniqueness about him? You can identify the person through the symbols indicated in that very stamp easily. You have to write the name of the person, and it's a star mark question. What is unique about this man? क्या यूनिक था? It's an easy one if you are aware. Now come to the next question, question number 6. Again, it's an easy one. Find the odd one. Which one is the odd one in this list of 4 officers? You have to find out. One odd officer name is mentioned here. You have to find out which one is the odd one. I'm not giving any hint. You can easily access. Now, question number 7. It's a very interesting story. Due to the valiant or effort taken by an Indian officer, the prowess he shown during the Kargil war, the Pakistani soldiers called this man as the Sher Shah. We know Sher Shah was a very powerful ruler of medieval India, and he belonged to Bihar, and he ruled ruled upon whole India, and his capital was Delhi. So, which officer was nicknamed or called as Sher Shah by Pakistani soldiers? Okay. Now come to the next question. The next question is Vijay Divas. Vijay Divas is observed on which day? Be careful. Vijay Divas. Appearing quite easy but quite confusing. Vijay Divas is observed on which day? You have to write the day. On which day it is observed in India. Now come to the next question. Just see the tricolor flag at a mountain peak. You have to find out the place where this flag was hosted after winning the battle by the Indians. Means you have to write where this national flag was hoisted during the Kargil war. It's a famous place, famous peak. You have to write the name of the peak where this national flag was hoisted by Indian soldiers. Okay. Now come to the next question, number 10. Question number 10 is, what was the name? Is an easy question. What was the name of operation launched by Indian Army during the Kargil war? You have to write the name of the operation launched by Indian Army during the Kargil war. Simply write the name of operation. Fine. You know, there are very few, 10 seconds is only given for APS quiz of cluster 1. So you have to also be attentive and write your answer within given time frame. Now come to the question number 11. Again, it's an easy one. Find the odd one. Which one is the odd one in this list of 4 officers? You have to find out. One odd officer name is mentioned here. You have to find out which one is the odd one. I'm not giving any hint. You can easily access. Now question number 7. During his SSB interview, he was questioned why he wanted to join the army. He answered, I want to win the Param Veer Chakra. And for his extreme courage and leadership, he was awarded Param Veer Chakra posthumously after the Kargil War. Who was the person who answered like this, that I want to win the Param Veer Chakra, that is why I am wish to join the army? You have to write the name of the officer. Okay, now question number 13. What was the name of a bilateral agreement signed between Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Nawaz Sharif just before the happening of Kargil War? Because during that agreement, the army of Pakistan started infiltration in Kashmir region. So you have to write the bilateral agreement signed between the two prime ministers of India and Pakistan, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Mr. Nawaz Sharif. Okay. Now the next question, question number 14. During that Kargil War, who was the president of America whom Pakistan asked to intervene during that war, but he declined? You have to write simply the name of the president whom Pakistanis asked to intervene during the Kargil War, but he refused. He told that you have to restore to your original place. Until you restore to your original place, I cannot intervene. So the message given by the then president of the US to Pakistan was clear. Okay. Now come to the last question. You have to identify, there are two persons sitting and signing an agreement. You have to identify both the person and write the name of the agreement signed by these two persons. Easy one and the very famous one for the bilateral relationship between two countries, two neighboring countries. You have to write the name of these two persons, which agreement they signed. Okay, this way the question, this is a star mark question. This way the quiz came to an end, and I hope you all enjoyed a lot, learned a lot. We will see you in the next quiz. For then, goodbye, all the best.